Have you ever wondered what your parents say about you when you're gone? Or have you ever wanted to check on your boyfriend or girlfriend to know if they're actually in love with you or are cheating on you? What you're about to hear may not be the results you really want to know, but at least you have come to the right place to know the truth. To hear about what's going on inside, put on your AirPods and make sure they're connected to your iPhone. Then, go into Settings, then hit Control Center, then hit Add Hearing. Then, now you can swipe down from the top right hand corner or from the bottom of your screen if you have an older iPhone to open the Control Center. Then hit the ear icon. Then hit Live Listen. By doing this, you can put your phone in a room and walk outside with your AirPods on and hear whatever your phone is recording. This is extremely useful when it comes to rooms that are soundproof. You can also avoid looking suspicious while you're spying on someone else. I hope this helps you find the truth. If you like this video, throw a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.